Thank you. Today marks the second annual National Fentanyl Awareness Day, and a local clinic trying to do its part to educate the community. Tiffany Hobbs joining us live on Walton Way with the details. Tiffany.
Thank you, Brad. Serenity Behavioral Health holds its first Fentanyl Awareness Day during National Prevention Week. Officials say that overdoses are trending upward, and their goal is to make it stop.
Fentanyl is a synthetic opioid. While approved for pharmaceutical use and pain regulation, officials say there is an increase in the illegal production of the drug. It is often laced into other drugs.
It's being pressed in these pills, and our kids are dying from it. And we need to educate the community a little bit about it so we can save a life, hopefully.
The CDC reports synthetic opioid overdose deaths increased 18 times from 2013 to 2020.
Drug overdoses on the news or in media coverage or wherever we see it, we don't know for sure what the source of that is, but I can tell you right now fentanyl is a big part of that. It's just increasing numbers that we've seen over time. They seem to escalate and get larger and larger, and we can't have that. We got to get together and see if we can stop this trend.
The event also provided a demonstration on Narcan, a medication that can reverse opioid overdoses.
We always say give the medication first and call for help later, because the medication is the difference between life and death. You're going to take this out of this blister pack, try to have them on their back, and just put this in their nostril and press this button.
Because of my recovery today,
it's been more than 10 years since Timothy Stevens used drugs or alcohol.
Others were expressing that when they apply recovery principles in their lives, that they found that they're not miserable anymore, and I just didn't want to be miserable anymore.
From there, he said he started a new way of living. He's worked as recovery support in emergency rooms in North Georgia and is now forming a recovery nonprofit of his own.
You have the power inside, and all we have to do is focus on that power on the inside to make the changes that you want for a better way of living.
People need to reach out and never be ashamed of having an issue. Don't wait till it's too late.
Williamson tells us that Serenity will be expanding to include a new crisis center in the coming years. Funding for the $12 million project was signed into effect by Governor Brian Kemp. In Augusta, Tiffany Hobbs, WJBF, News Channel 6.